is let me just explain to you how lucrative the IIS compensation plan is, just how lucrative it is, okay? First and foremost, when it comes to things like courses, right? Like real commissions, like the TikTok affiliate blueprint, when it comes to courses, do you guys realize that IIS pays 80% out to the field on courses? Do you guys realize that? When you think about it like this, when a course is sold, when a customer buys a course, the first thing that happens that gets paid out is personal commissions, right? Who is the referring affiliate? The referring affiliate is going to earn personal commissions, but the personal commissions pay up to 50%. Meaning, let's say that the person referred, maybe they're at the 30% level. The company says, okay, there's still another 20% left. Who gets that? And that goes up to the next up super affiliate, next up master affiliate. So 50% commissions right off the bat on personal commissions get paid out. Then on top of that, right? On top of the 50%, you have creator commissions. So if you create a course, that's another 20% right there. That the creator, whoever created the course, also gets 20% commissions. If you're co-creators, you each get 10%. Maybe you did it with another teammate, whatever, each of you get 10%, but 20% goes. That's already 70% commissions. That's already 70% commissions right there. But then on top of that, there's there's overrides and there's check matching. But the one that really, really ramps it up is check matching, because did you know that last month IIS doubled the check matching? IIS literally doubled the check matching. They lowered the requirement to now all you have to do is be a paying subscriber. All you have to do is be an affiliate pro. As long as you're paying your $100 a month for IIS, that covers everything, right? Your $100 a month for IIS makes you an affiliate pro. You now get overrides and you get check matching. But as you go to super affiliate, master affiliate, you get bumped up all the way up to 20% check matching. So now an extra 20% of that product is being check matched, which means that it actually ends up being around 80% total that gets paid out. So when a course is sold, when somebody's buying let's say $100 course or a $300 bundle or whatever it is, when somebody's buying that, Jeff Long and IIS is pushing 80% of every single 80% of the dollars, 80% right back out to the community, pushing it out to you. That is phenomenal because first of all, there's a lot of companies that claim about doing that, but that's phenomenal because it's sustainable here. This company's still around. This company's still doing it. This company's still hot. But not only that, but every referral that you bring in is hard coded to you. So since every single referral is hard coded to you, not only is these 80% getting paid out of the field, but it's getting paid out of the field months and months and months later. For example, right now, this promotion that we're currently doing with TikTok is so exciting. There's affiliates that haven't promoted in 6 months, even a year. And they're suddenly all on Facebook and stuff posting like, oh my God, I'm making thousands of dollars out of nowhere. What's happening at IIS? Oh, here's what's happening. IIS has integrity. You referred these people a year ago, they're buying things, you get paid because they're hard coded to you. You see what I'm saying? This is what's missing in the industry is that integrity. And that integrity means even months or even years later, you're still getting paid. So the idea is you want to be referring as many people as possible into IIS, have them all hard coded to you, and then let the system do all the telling and selling. And these people are finding it out like, wait, why am I getting paid thousands of dollars when I haven't even been promoting for a year? I've been off doing all these other things and traveling and stuff like that. It's because the system does all the telling and selling. And what happens is the system just focuses on, hey, let's do some free trainings, let's do some Zooms, let's do some stuff like this. But then after a while, what happens is there'll be some great offers, there'll be some great promotions, and people take advantage of those and the commissions will be paid. It is phenomenal, but it doesn't just stop there. On top of all of that, there's also back-end products like in the TikTok offer, like the 6-figure creator. It's a $100 a month club. You can join 1,000 TikTok shop affiliates. It's phenomenal, right? But instead of the company just keeping that money, the company lets you keep all the money. The company lets you keep 100% of the back-end commissions, which is absolutely unheard of. Absolutely unheard of. So what that means is that if you're an affiliate pro, you can swap your links on all these offers. So if you go swap your link on the 6-figure creator, for example, well, right now that's being promoted inside of this TikTok program. So as long as you swap your link, you get to keep 100% of those commissions. Whatever the commission is, you keep it. In this case, it's 50%. So if somebody joins, they're spending $100 a month, you've just increased your income $50 a month. And it just keeps going and it's just passive. So all you're doing is just putting people in the front door into the house of opportunity, and the people are exploring and they're looking through all the rooms and they're studying stuff like, oh, I want to buy that. I want to sign up for this program. I'd like a 30-day trial here. And every time they do, the system checks you first. It checks to see if you swapped your link and it pays you a commission. You're just not going to find this. You're just not going to find this anywhere else. Bottom line. So this is a big wake up call, a big reminder that literally IIS is paying out 80% of the field on these courses. They're paying 100%. They're letting you keep 100% of the commissions on all the third-party products. And really the only place that IIS makes money is the small little 20% left over on courses, but they're also covering the merchant fees in that. So really it's like 15% and a small little portion on the back end of the 30% of the IIS Pro, which is really only 25%. So they're only making a small cut of 15 and 25%, but because they don't have to, IIS doesn't have to spend all the advertising dollars. IIS doesn't have to go out and build a big brand. It doesn't have to do all this. What happens is IIS has this army of affiliates that are out there doing all that, taking on all that risk of advertising and promotion and marketing, right? So it allows IIS to be able to say, okay, we'll keep things lean. You go out and do the marketing. When the revenue comes in, we'll pay you. But then to make things better, IIS said, well, it takes like a month and a half to get paid through e-wallet. Why don't we just change that? Why don't we just say now, once the 7-day refund period is over, that becomes a qualified commission and you could get paid out. So now people, and they're like, wait a minute, they're just going to their back office and tapping a single button and boom, commissions on demand. That's insane. So it's also one of the fastest payouts of any other company. The bottom line is that if you can try to compare this all day long to any company, you're not going to find anything that compares. And that's why I'm here. That's why I've got my flag planted here. And that's why you're here. And I know I'm preaching to the choir for those of you that are on Zoom, but that's why we're here, because nothing else even compares to this. And if there was something else good, they're better off being in the marketplace of IIS than off on their own. They're better off being part of this ecosystem, because not only is the compensation plan great, but how good is the training? How good is the training? How valuable has it been? How much have you learned? Because see, it's not just like one thing, right? What we're doing, this is like a school. This is almost like a college, like a university of internet marketing. You're getting to learn it all. You're getting to learn about viral videos. You're getting to learn about building things faceless. You're getting to learn about social selling and how to properly be able to sell, how to be able to create content. You're getting to learn about AI and how to be able to create tools and how to start your own agency. You're getting to learn about TikTok and affiliate programs and things like this. You're getting a wide, diverse area of knowledge from people who have earned 7 or 8 figures online, who are literally in the giving phase of their life, who are here giving and giving and giving and just hoping that you take action on it. It's not like Jeff can pay me enough to come out here and speak on these things. I'm here because I've got a belief. I've got a different belief than people have out there. You know that old saying? How many people here have heard that old saying that says you can't teach an old dog new tricks? You guys ever heard that saying? Well, guess what? My entire career has been based off teaching old dogs new tricks. So if anybody here is older than me, I'm in my 40s. If anybody here is older than me, I'm here to tell you 100%, absolutely, I got some new tricks for you and you're gonna learn them and you're gonna love them, because all the stereotypes that society has been teaching you all these years, they're flawed. After a while, you woke up and you realized it's just flawed. It's just programming. It's brainwashing. It's garbage. When you get garbage in, you get garbage out. And so, yeah, we're here to initiate the great unlearning. You're going to unlearn all of that garbage, and you're going to finally go through a brain cleansing. And you're going to come out the other end and say, you know what? I can learn new things. I am good at these things. I am not afraid. I am here to win. I am going to start winning. Why? Because not only do I want it, but my family deserves it. I deserve it after a long life, a long career, but my family deserves it because I want to help my friends, because I have passion projects that I want to do, because I want to be debt free, because I want to, first of all, I want to fill my own cup so that it can overflow and pour out and it can bless others around me. So if you're that type of person, then you deserve to have success. And if you deserve to have success, then your age is not a problem. Your skill level is not a problem. Your experience is not a problem. And so that's why we're here. We're here because we believe what the 99% of people out there don't believe. We believe that even you, despite your lack of experience or despite your lack of belief, or despite the fact all you've maybe done is worked a job or something for your life, despite the fact that maybe you've accumulated some debt on this journey, whatever it is, we haven't given up on you. And that's rare these days, because the gurus will just move from customer to customer to customer to customer to customer. But yet we're here. IIS is still here, right? And what they're doing is they just keep expanding the house of opportunity to even to the point where other people went and chased all these shiny objects and different opportunities. And now even they're coming back going, man, This is my highest paying opportunity of all those. What am I doing? Running around like a chicken with my head cut off, trying to go find where the gold is. The gold has always been right here the whole time. You just got to take action.